Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I got another video for you. We are partially sponsored by Vland, so I'm going to put everything in the description down below. There's a discount that you guys can use to buy another set of taillights. So we've been trying to do this mod for a long time. We finally got around to do it. We got a little bit of daylight. We're going to try to knock it out as quickly as we can. So anyway guys, let's go and CarStomIt. All of you guys who watch my channel have not subscribed, boop, boop, boop. Hit the subscribe button down below, put notification bell on so you don't miss any of my video. Without further ado, let's CarStomIt. Here's a quick look of what the lights will look like. Hopefully you can see it when we're done. So we're gonna go and start the process right now. All right guys, let's go. All right, so guys, the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna start taking this passenger side lights out. So the way you do it, you gotta pop this thing off. Just pull it out, that's it. There's two 8mm, or you can use also a screw to take it out. All right, now you just pop it open from the back here. It's fairly easy. There's these two clips here. You can push it from the side here, but be careful not too hard so you don't break this, okay? All right, now we're gonna disconnect everything. Okay. All right, now we gotta take this thing off too. You might need, or you could pinch it from the side. We've done it now long enough to know. All right, first one is done, guys. All right, guys, I don't know if you could see this right here. We're gonna run our wire through here. So we're gonna pop this off. Pull the rubber strip up and take this off. And I'm gonna try to basically push my wire through here as well. I'm gonna need you to hold this. Let me see if it's going to fit in here. All right guys, so this hole, we can't really use it, so I gotta make another hole. I'm gonna make another one on the other side. I don't want to make it too hard, guys. I just want enough. See if my connector will go through it. All right, let's try it again. All right guys, it's gonna make me feel better if I put a little bit of tester tape on this guy. All right guys, so I feel better that this is a little tester tape. Now we're gonna try to run the cable through here. Come on baby, it's almost there. All right, perfect. Okay, let me pull this out a little bit, guys. Okay, just enough so I can pull my cable. Okay, now we're gonna actually connect this light so it'll be easier that way. So this one works, so it's not that.
Let's just try plugging the OEM first.
That's what I'm doing.
Oh, okay.
Wait, hold on. Okay, we're just gonna test it and make sure it works, guys. Oh, that is sexy. Go ahead, do it again.
Yeah, that's just bright as hell.
Yeah, that is bright. Ooh, I like it. I don't even know if it's right.
Yep.
Oh, I got it. Yeah. All right, guys, we got all the connector figured out because we have this light right here, and we also have the top one, so we have to figure everything out. So now, ooh, this is bright. Ooh, excited. Let's go. All right, guys, we're just gonna put this in, not finish it up, put it somewhere so it stays. Oh yeah, that's sexy. Hey, that is sexy, guys. Now we gotta change this light out here. Let's go to work on it. First thing first, we gotta take this lining out, okay? Gotta take this out. There's a couple pop clips everywhere, and then there's a couple screws too here. So let's take the screws out first. Guys, so we took out all the black screws. Now what we have to do, there's some green clips. We're gonna pinch them and push them up.
While someone is pushing the clips up with the pair of pliers, I'm using my trim removal tool to pop the trim up.
Okay, we're good. So just to be safe, unplug everything. Remember how this thing, how we like to, okay now. All right guys, we finally got them up. We pop all the clips off. Now we unplugging all the cables.
All right, now the trim is out. Let's go. Next, we gotta remove the light. There's like 4 screws holding it, 2 black one and 2 silver one. Let's take all of them out. Okay, the OEM light is out now. Alright, now time to install the new light. Let's take the little plastic cover on it and then pop it in, run the wires, and then we're also going to connect everything. First of all, we're going to test it just to make sure everything works before we keep going. Let's go. Let's connect this black cable. Let's also connect the reverse, which is this white plug, and then now we're going to test. Alright, let's plug it in and then we're going to see if it works. Alrighty, success, it's working. Let's test it a little bit more. Oh yeah, that looks good and bright, love it.
You guys want to see what it looks like? Oh yeah, baby. One more time. Can you go turn on the lights? I want to see what that looks like too. One more time, turn it on and off. All right guys, go ahead. This is the turn on sequence. Oh yeah, baby. I can't wait for this one to be on so we can connect it. But so far, it's working, guys. Let's go to the next side. Four. After you take out all 4 screws, it's literally a pop up. You just pop everything off. There's 2 plugs you gotta unplug, and then you can take out the light.
Okay, now it's time to put the new light on, and then we're gonna put the 4 screws that hold it together.
All right guys, so we're just taking the last light off. We already took this guy off. I don't know if you saw it. We popped it in. We're gonna put some tape on these cables a little bit, and then we're gonna pop the new wire on. Okay. So guys, I'm putting some tape on the cable, so we're gonna route it to the car afterwards. All right, that cable is ready, guys.
We put some tape on this other cable as well, just to keep it protected.
All right guys, so we got a cable taped.
All right, the cable is taped. Now let's connect all these connectors and then we'll see if it works.
All right guys, looks like it's working. We're gonna try to like put everything back together. Test it now. All right. Whew, 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 whew. Okay, perfect, it's working. Now it's time to put the lights back in. Let's put the 2 screws that holds the light. All right guys, so this light is on and it's working. Nice and flush, I like it. I'll show you guys some more picture tomorrow. All right guys, so we finally put the light on. It looks super flush and I love the way it looks. I can't wait till we finish it up so you guys can see everything at night. So now we're gonna put this little cover that goes right here on each side. Actually, before we do that, yeah, we're gonna finish the top here so we can finish all that stuff and route the cable all the way down, okay? All right guys, I got this side done. We're doing the same thing on the other side. I'll show you what everything looks like in the daytime. I just want to finish this up so we can get the light working, and we'll show you everything up tomorrow guys. Okay guys, we got pretty much everything connected. We're gonna do one more connection on the driver's side, and then we're gonna put the trunk LED light bar back in, and then we'll show you guys what it looks like. All right guys, so now we gotta put the screws that hold this light right here. All right guys, we're still trying to put the bulb, the nut to tie the top light on. We're having a little issues with it, but we'll get it done. All right guys, we got the light in. I'm gonna put some tape on this cable as well. After the cable is taped, now it's time to route it through the trunk. Let's go. So we're putting the light bar back in, guys. Connect these. Let me hold it. You connect these guys. Right here, I think. No, that goes over here. Okay. The light bar is back in, guys. So now we're going to put the screws that hold it, okay? All right.
All right, just finishing up a couple more things and then we can show you guys what they look like.
Alrighty. Boom. Alright guys, it's really cool. We finally finished it. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like, alright?
Yes. Yes.
Alright guys, we're gonna show you what the lights look like. So I'm gonna turn off my light for a little bit so you guys can see what it looks like. Alright, go ahead. This is a turn on sequence. Oh, it's such a beauty. Ooh, one more time. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful, guys. All right, left signal. You might have to start. Left signal. Look at that, guys. Look how beautiful that looks. Look how beautiful that is. Yes, it is that bright. It is very bright. Right signal. Oh yes, that's beautiful. All right, I would like the brake, please. That's the brake. Oop, hold on. Brake again. Nice. All right, I like that. Now back up. Oh, that's gorgeous. There you go, guys. Show it to you. There you go. So you can see what it looks like, and look how nice the back look. You can actually see. It doesn't look like it is in the camera, but trust me, you can actually see. All right, guys. All right, turn off the lights and turn it back on one more time. Yep. Yep. All right, that was that. All right, guys, I show you as much as I could yesterday. So we zip tie all the cables. It comes down here and then comes up here and goes through this grommet here for this guy right here. So we basically did the same thing on both of them, and then now we're putting this cover back. That one is easy. You just put it in and you put those little clips in, you push it in. That's pretty easy. So all of them are done. After we finish putting this on, guys, I'm just gonna show you what it looks like during the daytime. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you the sequence during the daytime so you can see what it looks like. All right, go on, turn on the lights. There you go. You guys see how nice it looks? All right, turn signal. Nice, thank you. The other side. Nice, thank you. Hazard. All right, keep that in. These are bright. I really like them. All right, now all I need is back up. All right, so this is the backup, guys. Okay. Oh, I forgot. All right, take out the backup and do the brakes. Okay, that's the brake. All right, one more time. Perfect, perfect. All right, all good. All right, guys, as you can see, we finally finished installing it the next day because it was cold. We're getting tired. We just needed a little bit of extra time. So anyway, it's all done. Like and subscribe. Tell me what you think in the video. Until the next time, peace.